Hi, welcome to everyone. Let's talk about what Chrome Remote Desktop is. It's a free and easy to use tool that allows you to access your computer from anywhere, as long as you have a Chrome browser and an internet connection. Open your Chrome browser. Search for Chrome Remote Desktop. Click Access My Computer. Then click Download button. Click Add to Chrome to install the extension. Then if you want edit your desktop name, edit. Then next. Enter the new PIN, then click Start. Then click Remote Support. Now I am going to share this computer to another computer. Click this Generate Code. Enter the PIN you set earlier to establish a secure connection. Then click Connect. Now that you're connected to your computer, if you encounter connection issues, make sure both computers are online and running the Chrome browser. Keep your PIN secure, and remember to log out when you're done. That's it for our Chrome Remote Desktop tutorial. It's an incredibly handy tool for accessing your computer from anywhere. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.